Voice control, Alexa Google Assistant compatible, requires a Z-Wave certified hub. Works with the following Z-Wave certified hubs: SmartThings, Ring Alarm, Wink, ADT Pulse, ADT Command, Trane, Vivint, Nexia, Honeywell, Seer, Harmony Home Hub Extender, Vera and more. Advanced Design Second Generation Model. Improved components reduced the housing depth by up to 20% compared to previous Z-Wave models and eliminated the need for heat tabs. QuickFit enhancements are the ideal smart solution for older-style switchboxes, multi-gang configurations or any other application with limited space. Auto-line load sensing terminals support fast and easy installation by detecting line and load wires and configuring the dimmer accordingly. Dual ground ports, which are offset to avoid switchbox mounting screws, support daisy chaining in multi-switch setups. For increased convenience, the optional toggle backlight provides a soft glow and can be reversed, turned off or always on based on your indicator preferences. Versatile applications. Control the device remotely with your smartphone and voice commands when connected to a compatible hub or enjoy manual on/off operation from the switch. Home automation is simple through custom scenes, personalized scheduling and convenient alerts. The smart device operates perfectly on its own or seamlessly integrates into multi-switch setups with required add-on switches, models 12728 or 46200. Up to 4 add-on switches can be connected to the same device. Full home coverage. Z-Wave Plus works with all previous Z-Wave generations to allow continued expansion of your home automation network. The switch is capable of controlling indoor or outdoor fixtures for whole home automation and repeats your Z-Wave signal from your hub or other devices to extend your range by up to 150 feet. Extended signal range increases your home automation coverage to enhance your control. Easy installation, requires indoor in-wall installation with hardwired connections. Neutral wire required. Wall plate not included. Works with all LED, CFL, incandescent and halogen bulbs as well as other devices. Operating temperature range 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Top reviews from the United States. Functional and great quality. I have at least 3 of these primary slave GE switch sets installed in various locations throughout the house and garage, and I love them. They are incredibly well labeled. Provide you the ever-famous and absolutely necessary white wire jumper, and the switches are even built to auto-sense the line and/or load wires, providing a bit of freedom with regard to which of those 2 lugs on the back of the switch you apply each of those 2 wires to. I have all of mine paired to the Z-Wave capable Ring Alarm Hub. However, in addition to being able to be paired with the Ring Smart Hub, this set, primarily the primary switch itself, can indeed also be discovered by and paired to essentially all of the current Z-Wave capable smart hubs. Very highly recommend.